Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go over installation of Sublime Text. This is what we're going to be using from now on to um, go ahead and continue with our web development, because through Notepad you can do a lot of things, but it doesn't allow you to do like CSS styling for the different things that you add on in HTML. So that's what we're going to be using Sublime Text for all the CSS that we're going to use to style the web page. So go ahead and look up Sublime Text, and it's going to be sublimetext.com, that first option, and then just download it. I'm going to save it there. And we're just going to run the setup here. That's it. So if I look up Sublime Text, there it is. And what we're going to do is transfer the code that we already put in, the script for Hello World, into Sublime Text. So I'm going to open this with Notepad. And we're going to just copy all this. Paste it there. File, save. Oh. Hello World. Okay, let's try a different folder. There you go. So that's all we're doing today. And we'll hop back on here to do some CSS styling for our different sections here, and try to build out a web page with all the CSS and all the different things that we already learned. Alright, catch you later. Bye.